Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on my Hitachi string trimmer or weed eater or weed whacker or whatever it is. So let's show you the model number first. Me and Dwayne are tinkering around. Here's what model it is. CG22E80. This is a 21.1 cc. 21.1 cc. Milliliter? Cc. It's done pretty well for me until I hung it up and left it sit for 2 years or whatever without using it. So I think I ended up with a dried out diaphragm. So I got basically 3 piles of parts. I'm trying to find the right combo. This one comes with an air filter. That's really nice because the old one's oil soaked. It's been hanging back there in the corner upside down the whole time we've been here. Well, no, I did take it out for a little while last year, and it just wouldn't run right. I had the choke on, and it just died. It'd be a pain. Anyway, we're going to assemble this and try and start.
Let's see.
Alright, we got her fixed, and so I ended up taking the whole bottom of the carburetor. This whole area here was leaking on the other one. I think what happened is we forced too much fluid through with the primer bulb. So what I've got is the top half of the brand new carburetor and the bottom half of the last one I bought before. So they're actually looks like the main frame of these are all the same, and maybe this stack here and then the end cap could be different for different models, as well as like your primer bulb arrangement. So this is one with a primer bulb on the bottom. So it actually works. Sometimes I gotta tip it over on its side. It's almost like the exhaust might be clogged with something, or I mean, my pickup's over here on this side, so it's no great wonder that it wants to be tipped over. I might even have the fuel line switched around, so it could be picking up fuel from the black line. So I just got done. I weed whackered 2 tanks of gas. I'm absolutely covered. Bleeding arm, must have hit something, but I'm absolutely covered in stuff. Just a strange time to go weed whacking right in the rain, but that's how it worked out. So I want to make note of this as well. I did look up a bunch of carburetor stuff. I went over to Tanaka and looked up some stuff. They don't have a 21cc Tanaka. They got a 22cc Tanaka. It's very similar to this, but this is a 2012 or 13, so some time has passed. They might have changed the model setup. So I'm pretty happy with this. This got a ton of power when it runs right. The original carburetor you can buy on eReplacementParts.com for around $65. There's one on eBay for $88, and that might be a Chinese copy as well. So I don't have the $65 or the $88, so I went ahead and ordered. I think you can buy the carb through Hitachi, last I knew, for like 95 bucks. So check out eReplacement Parts. They probably will sell you the correct part. And I ordered a Chinese set that's got a fuel filter, fuel line, and a spark plug, so it might run pretty well with just a spark plug. So I'm pretty happy with it. If it continues to make issues, which it runs with great power till the tank gets a little lower, and then I gotta roll it over toward the carb side to make it run right. But I can work with that. I'm happy with that. It starts easy. See, I can give it a pull for you. Nope, not a one-hander. Looks like we're leaking fuel from the cap. I just filled it. I'm gonna go over and mow Leroy's house. So, got my gas and got the weed eater. Just waiting for it to dry off. I blew some of the stuff off it, but anyway. If you're fixing Hitachi stuff, good luck. I think it's a great product. At least like a prosumer grade stuff. And I'm pretty happy with mine. Now, if I was getting into lawn care business, I'd probably buy one of these and just thrash it and do it dyed and get a Steel or some other better brand, or a Makita or a Nomar or something else like that. But this has served me well, fairly well. It's been annoying to fix though. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one.